So you've done this lovely maths work and we'd like you to send it to us. Here's how you can do that using your Chromebook. So we may have a form field where we're asking for you to upload your file. What you can do is take a photo of your book. So go to the launcher and open up the camera. That's the camera that's at the top of your Chromebook. You can see it's looking at me there at the moment. What we're going to do is, it's going to be a bit tricky using the camera here, but I'm going to hold up my maths work to the screen there. And I only have two hands, so I'm going to put that camera down, but I'm going to press the button to take a photo of the work. So I've just used the camera at the top of the Chromebook to take a photo of the work. Let's have a look at that. And I press this button here to take the photo. Let's have a look at that photo. So there's the maths work and it's in a photo that's been saved on the machine. So we can close that now. And then we can add that file. So we're going to select a file from this device. And there it is. That's the file that we just took. I'm going to press open and then upload. And it's uploading. And there it is. It's added that photo into that document. I can click on that and open it up. And there it is. So that's so that we can see your work and check if it's okay. Let's just close that one again and go back to our form, and we can submit that form. That's with the photo of our work attached to it now that we took with the camera on our Chromebook.